Here is a Honda Accord. Let's go ahead and get started. Open up the driver's side door. Right over there's a primary hood release lever. Pull it in front of the vehicle, right on top of the Honda emblem. Put your hand over there and then pull it up. Just like this. That's where your hand goes. Now lift up the hood, and this hood requires a prop rod to stay in place. So grab the rod and put it right over there in that slot. Now let it go and the hood is secure. Now right over there is where your primary fuse panel is. We need to get this cover off. It's held in place by 3 clips. 1, 2 in the front and the third one in the back. Press this 3 clips and then let's get the cover off. It can be a little bit tricky, so be patient. It may take you a few seconds to get the cover off of there. Now underneath the cover is where you'll find the fuse puller and the spare fuses. That's going to come handy in just a second. Now let's go ahead, get the fuse puller out of there. And now inside the car, let's go ahead, open the driver's side door, and that's where the secondary fuse panel is over there. It's kind of an awkward space, but it is what it is. And the diagram is right over there. We'll be focusing on 2 fuses, a front ACC socket and the rear ACC socket. And what we'll basically be doing is pulling this fuse, check if it's good or bad, and very likely in your case it's a bad fuse that's causing the problem. And if it's so, they will replace it with the spare 20 amp fuse. Again, always replace a 20 amp fuse with a 20 amp fuse. The moment I pull the fuse, the power outlet stops working because mine is a good fuse. How do I know that? Look at the center part. It's not broken. If yours is broken, then it's a bad fuse. And that's very likely what the problem is. And luckily, we have a 20 amp spare fuse. Check the spare fuse. Make sure this is good. Good. The center part is not broken. So let's just go ahead, put this fuse back in, and the power is back on. Exact same process for the other outlet. This is the one that's inside the center console. Let's go ahead and pull this fuse off. And the power is gone because this is a good fuse. Center part is not broken. Let's just put the fuse back in, and the moment I do that, power is going to be back on. When you're done, don't forget to put the fuse puller back in its place. And now let's put this cover back in. It only goes on in one direction, the way I'm showing. Let's get it in over there. Make sure it's seated properly, and then press it down to secure it. And that's it. To close the hood, first push on it, get the rod out of that slot, put it back in its place, and then push it down to secure it. Lower the hood and slam it shut. Hope you found it useful. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in the description for their entire inventory.